Are you tired of staring at empty pockets while everyone else seems to be winning? Are you tired of staring at empty pockets? You aren't broke because you lack luck. You're broke because you're playing a game you don't understand. Most people spend their lives trading time for pennies, hoping things will change. But hope isn't a strategy. The gap between where you are and where you want to be isn't built on luck. It's built on the difference between an asset and a liability. If your money only goes toward things that lose value, like those constant subscriptions or the latest shoes, you are building a prison for your future self. Wealth isn't about looking rich, it's about buying your freedom. True investors don't just save money, they make their money work as hard as they do. Stop buying status and start buying pieces of companies, real estate, or skills that pay you back while you sleep. The bills on your desk are just a reflection of your past decisions.